Have you ever wondered who's the mastermind behind the sleek investment app, StashAway? A platform that's revolutionizing personal finance, one tap at a time. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's rewind a bit. Imagine a world where investing wasn't just for the elite, a world where anyone, regardless of their financial know-how, could grow their wealth. This was the vision. A vision that would soon become a reality, thanks to a group of passionate individuals who believed in the power of technology to democratize finance. Introducing the founders. At the helm of this financial revolution are three brilliant minds. Micah Kreitzer, a seasoned entrepreneur with a knack for spotting opportunities. His entrepreneurial spirit and sharp business acumen were instrumental in bringing StashAway to life. Mikhail Hart, a tech wizard with a deep understanding of the financial industry. His technical expertise played a crucial role in developing the robust and user-friendly StashAway platform. Anthony Butler, a financial expert with a passion for simplifying complex financial concepts. His knowledge and insights were essential in shaping StashAway's investment strategies. The birth of an idea. The trio first met in Singapore, a bustling metropolis known for its vibrant startup scene. It was here that they discovered a shared passion for financial technology and a desire to make investing accessible to everyone. They realized that traditional investment methods were often complex, time-consuming, and exclusive. They envisioned a platform that could simplify the investment process, making it as easy as ordering food online. The StashAway journey. From this shared vision, StashAway was born. The team worked tirelessly to develop a platform that would cater to the needs of the modern investor. They focused on creating a user-friendly interface, offering a diverse range of investment products, and providing personalized financial advice. The impact. StashAway has since grown into a leading investment platform in Southeast Asia, empowering thousands of individuals to take control of their financial future. The company's innovative approach has disrupted the traditional finance industry, proving that investing can be simple, affordable, and accessible to all. The future of StashAway. As StashAway continues to evolve, the founders remain committed to their mission of democratizing finance. They are constantly exploring new ways to leverage technology to enhance the user experience and provide even more value to their customers. So, the next time you open your StashAway app, remember the brilliant minds behind it. Micah, Mikhail, and Anthony and their team have made it possible for you to invest effortlessly and grow your wealth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.